Hi everyone, welcome to Carrie's Cooking Corner. I am here to show you some stuff that I got from school. We are currently studying from home, and I'm studying to be a chef for those of you who don't know. And they sent us a box of goodies, so I'm excited to share it with you. Alright, so first we've got some lemon juice from Concentrate. Some of the flour exploded in the delivery, which is fine. So just ignore the powder everywhere. We've also got some baking soda. Everything's labeled very nicely, and I like these containers. I'll definitely be using them after school too. This is some extra virgin olive oil. I've got some cornstarch. Now this is very handy in more than just cooking. Like if you have a knot that you cannot untie, rub this in there and it should help a little bit. Just pro tip. Let's see, what else do I have? I've got some bay leaf. Let's see how much is in these containers. That's a good amount. I love using bay leaves and peppercorns when I make stock or broth. I've got some whole black peppercorns. Let's see. Well, that's filled like to the brim almost. Alright, let's see what else I have. I've got some salt. There's some vanilla extracts. Some canola oil. This label's coming off. I'll have to fix that. A big thing of sea salt. Like, this is big. I don't know if I'll use all this. Some active dry yeast. Ground cinnamon, some ground paprika, let's see, some white vinegar. I will definitely use this. This is also really good for cleaning as well as cooking. Let's see, some white wine vinegar. Oh, that's really good for cooking. It's just a different flavor is what it gives it. I've got 2 things of granulated sugar. I've got 1 thing of pastry flour, 2 things of bread flour, and last but not least, I've got 2 things of all-purpose flour. So that is awesome. I am not sponsored by this school. I just wanted to share with y'all what I got in my package for school, aside from my first package, which I completely forgot to record. Sorry about that, guys. If you want to see what was in there, let me know and I'll show you. But a huge thank you to my chefs if you're watching. This will definitely come in handy, not just for school, but afterwards too, and outside of school. I really like these containers, and I'll definitely use these for organizing my pantry. By the way, that video should be coming up soon, so keep an eye out for that. But a huge thank you to my chefs if you're watching. Also, I just got the okay to... Ace, be quiet. He's in timeout. I'm sorry. I just got the okay to share the recipes that I'm doing for school with you guys, so keep an eye out for those videos as well. I'll be sure to put them up here soon. Alright, y'all have a nice day. Bye!